This one is a party starter and I'll show you how to play it even if you are a complete beginner. Hey there, welcome to Accordion Joy, I'm Nicola and today we are diving into a classic, Hava Nagila, one of the most joyful and energetic songs you can play on the accordion. Quick heads up, I've made it super easy for you to follow. In the description down below you can find a free copy of sheet music so you can follow along with me today. Go grab it and let's start with the tutorial. Alright, let's start it nice and smooth. I'll play it in very slow tempo so you can follow all together, the basses, the notes and everything that I'm doing. Okay, let's go. Okay, so this song is it's a folk tune, so it's very free and you can feel free to change something within the music, of course, some notes, add some extra notes, add some trillers, play around with the tempo, but this was schoolish, if you know what I mean, in very slow tempo, all the notes on its place. Alright, for some of you that couldn't get all this at the same time, let's just take the right hand and all the notes that I'm playing in this piece. So I'll start from the beginning. I go with the D, so D, D, F sharp, E flat, D, and then F sharp, A, G, F sharp, G, G, B flat, A, G, F sharp, E flat, F sharp, E flat, D. So that should be a little bit quicker. And then you have again just repetition from the beginning. It's totally the same, but you can feel free to add some trillers like E flat, F sharp, E flat, for example. On any place you like, just feel free to add some trillers. All right, let's move to the second part. F sharp, E flat, D, D, E flat, D, C, 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 E flat, D, C, G, F sharp, E flat, F sharp, E flat, D, but quicker. Okay, and you can repeat this second part even though it's not written in this music. You can just repeat it twice. Okay, and so on. We go to the third part. You have G, and then combine with the bass, which we will cover later. So G, then G and D together. When you come in the fast tempo. So I will play it now just for the sake of precision with the left hand together. D. Okay, and that's it. Those are those four bars. We go to line 4, and that's the last part. So we have G, G, B flat, A, G, B flat, A, G, 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 B flat, A, G, B, B flat, A, G, and then A, C, B flat, A, C, B flat, A, C, B flat, A, C, B flat, A, and then A, and then A and D together. D, B flat, A, G. And feel free to add some trillers, some ornaments, for example, like this. So that's A and B flat and A. Alright. If you would like to learn this song with me personally, or any other song that you have in mind and that you like, feel free to go to accordionjoy.com and grab a free spot. So I've opened up a free some spots for a free trial lessons. Go grab that spot and I'll see you there personally, live, face to face. So before we finish this tutorial, let's cover also the left hand and the basses. In general, the basses shouldn't be that much difficult. In this case, for this piece, we got D7 first, and we have G minor, bass, and C minor. And so those three basses, I was just checking the score if I was right, but only those three basses, so D7, G minor, and C minor, only those three you have here. What's the new thing, if you never play that can be, it can be challenging. That's called alternating bass. So that's when you are combining the dominant button, the dominant note, which is to be found on each bass, let's say. So if you play D7, the dominant of A7 is A. So usually when we play, we do. In that case, you need to use 4, 2, 3, 4 7 chords, and for minor chords you are basically using the same fingering, which is 4, 2, 3, 2, but only you are playing the minor chords. So G, G minor, D, G. If in any case that feels too difficult, it's not compulsory, of course, in this piece or in any piece, so you can just go and play simple bass, which means you just play D, D7, D, D7. When you have D7, for example, when you got G minor, you just play G, G minor, G minor, etc. And one more thing worth of mentioning is that in the transition to the last part and the last part, we have some extraordinary basses and rhythms. Let's start with the transition. So you need to play there G and D, and then 1. So it's like 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2. So that's the transition, and going to the last part. Okay, this fourth line, there is nothing special there, let's say. It's only G minor with alternating bass, depends how you decide to play it, or with single one, and D7. And the last bar, there we have some basses, let's cover it. D7, D7, so it's like 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, that was maybe a bit quick, but let's do it one more time in slower tempo. I'll count only the basses that you need to play in this last line. So we have D7, 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 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright, there you have it. You've just learned the foundation of Hava Nagila on accordion. Put yourself on the back. Most people never even try. You did. Now, if you are serious about learning accordion the quickest, the most enjoyable way possible, come hang out with me for a free lesson. And one more thing, if you would like to hear how this song sounds like when I play it, I recorded a special performance just for you. The link is down there in the description. Go watch it, you'll love it. Thank you so much for watching, and remember, it's never too late to start making music. I'll see you in the next video.